Hey English learners, welcome back to English Speaking and Listening Club. Today we're talking about a mindset and a method that changed the way millions of people work. The 666 Rule and Outwork, inspired by Kobe Bryant. This is not about copying a superstar's exact life. It's about learning the principles behind his legendary focus and turning them into a routine you can actually live. Kobe's message was simple. Separate yourself with consistency, fundamentals, and a standard that doesn't break when it's dark, lonely, or boring. People talk about Kobe's 666 plan like this: 6 hours a day, 6 days a week for 6 months. In those hours, he split time between conditioning, basketball skill work, and strength, no fluff, only essentials. Was it always exactly 6 hours? Not every day. That's not the point. The point is the structure and the discipline. He trained like a pro builds a life. A few key blocks, repeated with purpose, measured and refined. If you only remember one line, let it be this. Outwork doesn't mean doing everything. Outwork means doing the right things with clean effort again and again, long after the excitement fades. Let's translate Kobe's 666 into a version you can live without burning out. Think of it as Mamba 666 for real life. Focus on 6 core habits, train or practice 6 days a week, and commit for 6 weeks at a time. After 6 weeks, review and level up. The 6 habits are simple: skill, body, study, recovery, reflection, and elimination. Skill is the main work you want to master. Body is movement and strength so your brain stays sharp. Study is film or reading so you learn faster than the pain. Recovery is sleep and nutrition so you can repeat tomorrow. Reflection is journaling and tracking so you see truth, not mood. Elimination is cutting distractions so your time feeds your goal, not your phone. Here, how a day can look when you use this approach. Start with water, a few minutes of morning light, and 2 minutes of slow breathing. That tells your body it's time. Then give your craft the first clean block of your day. If you are a student, that block is deep study with your phone away. If you are a creator, it's writing, filming, or building. If you are an athlete, it's skills when your brain is fresh. Keep the block tight, 45 to 90 minutes with only one window open and a timer running. Say out loud one thing only and begin. After this block, move your body. It does not need to be extreme. 10 to 30 minutes of running, cycling, jump rope, or court sprints will lift your focus. Later in the day, give your body strength. That can be a simple routine of squats, push-ups, rows, and core. In the evening, add film or study. Watch someone better than you, break down one tiny detail, and practice it tomorrow. Close your day with a 2-minute reflection. What did I finish? What did I learn? And what will I do first tomorrow? Go to bed like a pro because sleep is part of the workout. The heart of Kobe's outwork was not pain, it was precision. He was obsessed with fundamentals, footwork, balance, angles. He would repeat the same move hundreds of times until it was automatic. He didn't chase tricks. He mastered basics so deeply that pressure couldn't shake them. You can do the same in your field. Pick the 3 fundamentals that drive 80% of your result and give them most of your time. If you code, it might be problem breakdown, clear structure, and testing. If you sell, it might be discovery questions, offer clarity, and follow-up. If you study, it might be active recall, spaced repetition, and teaching what you learned. Don't spread thin. Go deep on the few. Let's make a 6-week plan that feels like a Kobe block you can stick to. For weeks 1 and 2, build your base. Choose a start time you can repeat and protect it. Do 1 deep skill block each morning, 1 movement block 10 to 20 minutes, and sleep like it pays you because it does. Keep score simply. Put a check mark for each block completed. For weeks 3 and 4, increase quality. Make your skill block slightly longer or more focused. Add a second shorter practice later in the day or add a simple strength routine. Start watching 10 minutes of film or lessons each evening and write 1 line about what you'll try tomorrow. For weeks 5 and 6, ship and show. Finish a piece of work every week, a polished project, an essay, a demo, a small personal record, and share it with the right people. Your manager, your coach, your audience, or a trusted mentor. This keeps you honest. Kobe didn't just train, he performed. You need a small performance each week too. What made Kobe different was not just early mornings. It was how he used them. He didn't work out, he worked on something specific. You can copy this with a simple focus question every day. What is the one rep that, if I improve it by 1% today, will make the biggest difference 3 months from now? Answer it before your deep block. Then attack it. Don't stop because it's boring, keep going because it's building. Perfection is loud on social media. Craft is quiet in real life. You might be thinking, 6 hours a day is impossible for me. Good, you don't need 6 hours, you need quality blocks you will honor. 1 honest hour 6 days a week for 6 weeks will move your life. If you have more time, add more. If not, hold that hour like gold. Kobe would rather do 60 minutes of focused footwork than 3 hours of lazy sweat. Adopt that standard, no junk reps. If you're tired, shorten the session but protect the quality. Don't confuse being busy with building. Outwork also means outrecover. Kobe's longevity didn't come from grinding without care. He iced, stretched, slept, and did everything he could to come back ready. Learn from that. Eat for steady energy. Drink water. Protect sleep. Insert rest days when your body truly needs it, not when your phone is exciting. A broken you cannot outwork anyone. A steady you can outwork everyone over time. There are a few small habits that will multiply this plan. Start before you feel ready. The hardest part is the first 5 minutes. Count down from 5 and begin. Leave a proof after each block, a finished paragraph, a recorded drill count, a screenshot of your code passing tests. Track output, not just hours. Hours can lie. Results don't. Make distractions expensive during your deep block. Put your phone in another room or use a blocker. And adopt the one more rule. At the end of a session, do 1 more clean rep, 1 more made shot, 1 more perfect sentence, 1 more problem solved. That last clean rep trains your brain to finish strong. Let me share a quick story you can use. A young developer loved Kobe and wanted his own 666. He couldn't train all day. He had a job, so he made a simple deal with himself. For 6 weeks, he would do 1 60-minute deep code block before work, 6 days a week, phone away. After work, he would move his body for 15 minutes and watch 10 minutes of great code explanation, then write down 1 pattern to try tomorrow. Every Friday, he would ship something small, a working feature, a refactor, a tiny tool for his team. He kept a wins file with screenshots and numbers. After 6 weeks, he wasn't a superstar. He was different. His speed improved, his confidence rose, his team noticed, and he had proof for a raise conversation. He outworked his old self with simple blocks and steady delivery. If you want the spirit of Kobe's 666 without the injury risk, try this 666 right now. For the next 6 weeks, pick 1 craft and 1 physical promise. Do 6 days each week. Protect a minimum daily standard. 1 45-90-minute deep block for your craft and 1 10-20-minute body block. Add a short nightly close, 3 wins, 2 lessons, 1 priority for tomorrow. Every Friday, finish and share something. That's it. Simple, repeatable, potent. Be careful of the traps. Don't try to do everything on week 1. Start lighter than your ego wants so you can be consistent when motivation dips. Don't hide in planning. The Mamba mentality is not a to-do app. It's a rep. Don't skip sleep because a quote on the internet told you champions don't rest. Champions rest so they can attack again. And don't compare your day 1 to someone else's year 10. Kobe's 4 a.m. mythology was built on decades of foundations. Build yours at your pace and let time compound. There is one more piece we don't talk about enough: joy. Kobe loved the game. Yes, he was intense, but he found joy in details. How a defender shifted, how a pivot created space, how repetition made him feel free in a tight 4th quarter. Find your joy in the craft. It's easier to outwork when you are genuinely curious. Curiosity makes hard work feel like play most days. On the days it doesn't, your standard and your routine will carry you. You don't need to be Kobe to live his principles. You need to choose your few, do them well, and do them often. Build a day that starts with 1 honest block. Move your body so your mind stays clear. Study 10 minutes so you learn from masters without paying the price they already paid. Sleep so you can come back again. Track your work so your brain sees the truth. Cut what doesn't matter. Ship something small each week so the world can see the person you are becoming. Outwork is not loud. Outwork is quiet, early, focused, and repeated. The results are loud. If you start this 6-week run today, your life will feel different by the end. Not because of magic, because your hours will start pointing in one direction, your energy will rise, and your proof will stack. That is how you honor the Mamba way in a real life. Not by burning out, but by showing up clean and consistent when it counts. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.